Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a different video, and honestly this one is quite special for me. Behind me is an Audi A6 C4 Avant, and this isn't just any project car. This one belonged to my dad. My dad suddenly passed away last year and this car belonged to him. It was just kind of sitting up doing nothing in Latvia, so we decided that we were going to bring it to Ireland and bring it to life here on the YouTube channel. So I'm very excited to share this special project here on the channel. There's actually a really funny story, Ross. I don't know if you know the story, but I'd say 3 or 4 years ago, Dad had just got the back bumper painted freshly, and he was so happy about it because someone had reversed into him. And this one night in particular, we were going to a club with Stella, and I took the car out because it was far away from where we lived. And we were going home and we realized that there was this X5 that was following us from the club all the way back home. And obviously me and Stella were a bit scared because the doors don't lock themselves in this car. So we basically, we're coming up to where we live and we had to turn off the lights in the car because it's such an old light, all the lights go off, and quickly turn into our estate. And obviously then I had to quickly reverse park and ended up reversing it into a tree. And I remember being so scared to tell him. Funny enough, last year he ended up reversing it into a pole and there's a massive dent in the back bumper now. So look, he's probably looking from above, judging me right now, but he did the same thing. But I was concerned for mine and Stella's safety, to be fair. This project means more than just fixing up a car. It's a way to keep his memory alive and also share the passion that he has passed down to me and my sister. And honestly, I can't wait to share the process with all of you. I'm so excited. And if you didn't hear me at the start saying, this car was in Latvia, and we actually just after bringing it back from Latvia, we went on a massive road trip, me, Stella, Ross and Adam, and we brought the car back. So if you want to see behind the scenes of that, actually, I'll leave my TikTok and Instagram name here so that you can actually go and check it out, because it's kind of like short reels or TikToks of what we got up to, and it was honestly by far the best road trip I've ever went on. And you also get to see how this car held up on that road trip. As you can see, we did make it here to Ireland, so a bit of a spoiler, sorry. If you're new here, I'm Monica, and if you want to keep watching the rebuild, hit the subscribe button below. If you've ever had a project car that has a story behind it, please leave it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Let's build this Audi together. Oh, Ross, will you stop? Our car gets enough attention.